Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your trusted or registered device inside of Wise. Now this is very fast and simple to do, so make sure you watch right to the end so you fully understand how to get this done for yourself. Let's jump into it. So the first thing we want to do is log into our device which we want to be our trusted device. So I've already got it set up on this phone, but let's just say this was a brand new device and I was setting it up on here. And we just want to head into the top left corner where we can see our initials. Now when we click on that, it will take us to this Your Account page, and when we scroll down to the bottom, we can see a few different options. And we just want to select Privacy and Security, which we can find here. And then you want to scroll down until you can see two-step verification, which is right here. Now we want to click on this, and then here we will see all the verification methods that we have. So we want to select Wise app, which is this one here, the default one. And then what we want to do here is untick this that says verify with this app. So when we select this, it will actually remove our Wise app as our two-step verification method. So then once you have actually removed it, it will look something like this. And what you want to do is just click on it again and then click continue. And there we go, it is now done. And as you can see, our Wise app is set to default as our verification method. So when we have done that, it will have successfully reset it, and then it will have changed the device you're currently on to your trusted device. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you successfully managed to change your trusted or registered device. If you did, please comment down below to say that this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.